Sometimes if you are in Microsoft Excel page, and if you want if you click this, if you are in a page and if you click this file, there you can see the option at the bottom. You must look like this. Here you can see option. Okay, you can see here this the option. You must click this option. So now you can see here Excel options, general formulas, data proofing, save, etc. Here you must click this save, and it's in an Excel workbook format. And if you want to save this file in another format, you must click here, and from there choose the format you want. I am going to show in this video how to save this as Excel binary workbook. So for doing this, I select this Excel binary workbook, and after that I am going to press this OK button. So if you are saving any files, after that it will be saved as Excel binary. Of this video, for more, subscribe. Thank you.